up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I appreciate you guys watching the videos, man. It's been 3 years, which is freaking crazy. But I've been thinking, like, why am I still recording these videos? And honestly, dude, as long as I'm putting wear and tear on these cars, I'm gonna be filming it, bro. Like, that's how much I enjoy driving these cars, like, for real. That's why I film. It's like, if I'm gonna be putting wear and tear, you know, I'm gonna go to the industrial. If I'm gonna put wear and tear, I might as well record it. You know what I mean? Like, same with any other car I get. I'm just gonna be spamming posts. Because I don't do it for the views, legit. I just do it because if I'm gonna destroy my cars, I might as well freaking record it. And people watch them, so hey, that's, I mean, it's decent, you know? It's like, at least it's not like 100 views or 50 views, you know? I'm gonna talk a little bit less for you guys. I'm gonna make this like fully ASMR type of vibe for anyone that just likes to listen to the cars, because I love these cars, bro. I love the way they sound. I don't know any other car that whines this loud and sounds this good too. My pipes got a little bit loose, it's like more drony. When my pipes are all tight and it's not rattly, like you can tell there's an open gap, like slight open gap in my, there's definitely exhaust leak somewhere underneath me, because dude, when it's all closed up, dude, it's so like you can barely hear from it. Honestly, like it's just a big difference. So I'm gonna try tightening it in today. It's a pain in the butt because I just don't have the equipment for it. That's the same truck I got, dude. Let's go. Yeah, I recently just got a truck. Sick deal, dude. I got from a customer that I work for a lot, and dude, he gave me such a good deal, dude. I'm so happy. So I got the same truck, and I can trade it in right now and make a profit. Show me. People just don't like to brake anymore, dude. It's so sketchy. Like, these people should be sending in. Weather is so nice in Cali. It's like 50 degrees outside. So nice, dude. It's like the perfect weather to be raping any car. Sheesh, bro. It's so green in Cali. It's such a trip. It's such a trip for me because like 6 months, 7 months out of the year, it's not this green. gosh. Shifts, dude, I love this car. Sounds crazy. I don't care, dude. I don't care what anyone's gonna say. This car sounds freaking crazy. Alright boys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a freaking like. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.